Hey traders, it's Sunday, December 15th. I'm between football games, so I thought I'd take a little look at the market. Found something nice, thought I'd do a quick video, post it for you. Let's take a look at the market. Everything starts with the market. So, we've got to make sure that we have some market momentum, which currently we had this dip on China trade truce concerns. That was resolved. We've got a likely trade truce. Everything is shaping up, so I want to keep this video short. Brexit, that looks good. USMCA, good. Economic data points, good. Everything should be good into year end. We should see a nice gradual seasonal float higher from the market. A lot of uncertainty has been removed. I'm not looking for much in the way of downside here. We should be flat to slightly higher. Perfect environment for selling out of the money bullish put spreads. Now what we want to do is we want to find a stock that's got a little bit of momentum, some very, very strong technical support. And so I went into relative strength 30, which is one of the searches that we use in Option Stalker. And I went down the list and I saw MTCH, and I like that. Here's what I like about it is you've got this nice downward sloping trend line, very, very orderly. You can see tails above body all the way down. As soon as the stock tried to bump up against that trend line, boom, sellers came in and knocked it down, knocked it down, knocked it down. So that is a valid trend line, and it's being used programmatically by trading firms. As soon as that trend line is broken, then there's a nice opportunity on the upside. So what do we have? We have 1, 2, I'm going to throw this out for a second, 2, 3 tests of support and a rally off of that support through the 200-day moving average on good volume. I like all of those criteria. You can see after earnings after the close, the stock got buried. And off of that open, what did it do? It rallied all day long. And you can see down on the support level, there are buyers. Boom, they buy it, chase the stock back up. Chase the stock back up. Chase it back up. Chase it back up. So here, you start getting smaller retracements down to that support level, and it just can't even challenge to get below it, and then now we get the move back upward. I think this sets up for a really nice bullish put spread. This $67 support level, very, very strong. You can even go with $68, I think would work here as well. We want to see the stock stay above the 200-day moving average. So how do we set that up? Really expecting to have quiet trading probably for the next, I would say, 3 weeks at least. There's just nothing on the calendar. We'll go out to January. We'll see if we can get some decent money for this. And so I'm looking around that 67 strike price, though. That's the one I want to key off of. The options aren't super liquid, but if you sneak in there, you should easily be able to get a 10 lot done. So the way I would look at it is you've got a 155 bid. Let's say that we can get something done at 165. That's a wide 30-cent bid-ask spread. So there's plenty of room to work something in the middle. So if we do 165 on this side and 95 on this side, that leaves us with a 70-cent credit. I think you can get 75 cents or maybe 80 cents for it. There's no rush right now. You might as well see what the stock does on Monday. Chances are you probably get a little bit of a pullback. But I really like doing that spread for 80 cents. That would be selling the $68 put, buying the $65 put. You've got $3 between the strike prices. You're bringing in an 80-cent credit. So you've got to put up $2.20 per spread to bring in 80 cents. That's north of a 35% return in the course of the next 6 weeks. I like it. I think that's a nice spread. Plus, you're giving yourself a lot of support down here. Lots and lots and lots of support. So very limited downside, nice upside potential. And right now, I'm looking for stocks that have some upside potential to them, some upside momentum. I'm not looking for flat stocks. So if I'm selling bullish put spreads, I want to make sure I've got at least the stock moving in the right direction on volume. I like this one, MTCH. Enjoy your Sunday. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the content. Give it a thumbs up. I post these videos all the time. You never know when you're going to get them. Make sure and turn your notifications on YouTube on. Thanks. Have a good weekend.